Hello friends, I'm back Garima Khurana with another session, another videos, another questions of NCERT Exemplar. We'll be discussing chapter 5, Arithmetic Progression of NCERT Exemplar class 10. So we'll be starting off with the very first question of it. So here's the question of exercise 5.3, question 16. Now the question says that find the 12th term from the end of the AP -2, -4, -6 till -100. Now before starting up with the solution of this question, please share, like and subscribe this video. Also give it a try of this question every time. Whatever question we'll be discussing, try it yourself at least once and then you can refer this video and come back to the solution. So let's start with the solution of this question. I'll be taking that questions which I think is comfortable. Which I think that it is important enough from examination point of view. Plus, there should be these type of questions will not be in NCERT Exemplar. So maybe different kind of questions of the same chapter. This is something which we'll be working on it. So we'll be taking only that question, some specific questions which is really helpful for you in your examination. So now we'll be starting off with question 16. Find the 12th term from the end of the AP. So what students generally do is they keep on doing the same thing, that A is -2, then D will be -4 of -2 and so on. They'll start doing that, but they'll not understand that we have one word which is really important over here, and what's that word is that they are looking for 12th term from the end of the AP. So we'll be starting up from here and we'll be shifting into the left hand side. So we'll be taking it in reverse order. So now it will be like this. We'll be reversing it. Now we need to find the 12th term. For that should be A plus 11D. So I need A and I need D. So over here what will be A now? A will be -100 and what will be D now? D will be -4 minus of -6 or -2 minus of -4, because D is the difference of these two terms. So you can take the difference of any of the two terms which we have. So -4 plus 6 will be 2. Now A is -100, D is 2. What will be A12? Because they are looking for A12. Now what is AN, the general term which we have? It is A plus N minus 1D. We know over here that N, they've given what they wanted to looking for is 12. So A12 will be A plus 12 minus 1D. So over here what we can do is A is -100 plus 11 and D is 2. So we'll be getting -100 plus 22. So we can solve this question. That will be minus sign. 100 take away 22 is cancelling it out. It will be 10. It will be 9. So 8 and 7. So we'll be getting -78. So -78 is the final answer for this question. The 12th term of an AP is -78. Thank you so much.